What is the best beginner rimfire rifle? Well, choosing a rimfire rifle can feel very overwhelming, especially, when there's so many options out there. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you. So in today's video, I'm going to be diving into the best beginner rimfire rifles for 2025. First on our list is the Savage MKII, a classic bolt-action rifle that delivers reliable performance at really an unbeatable price. It's priced approximately around about $650. It's really perfect for beginners or even casual shooters who want dependable and accurate rimfire option without breaking the bank. The Mark II is chambered in 22 LR and featured a blue barreled paired with a solid stock. This traditional design not only looks really good, but also provides a durability and a steady platform for consistent shooting. It really is a standout. It has an AccuCheck trigger system, which allows you to customize your trigger pull, offering better control for precision. Whether you're using it for plinking or at the range or even small game hunting or trying to hone in your shooting skills, the Savage MKII delivers on impressive performance for its price. Next, let's step it up to the Savage MKII BTVS, a rifle designed for shooters who demand both accuracy and style. Priced between 1,000 and 1,100 Australian dollars, this model offers, a fantastic options for precision shooting. The MKII BTVS stands out with its heavy stainless steel barrel, which ensures consistent performance by reducing barrel vibrations and providing a superior accuracy over longer sessions. The laminate thumbhole stock is not only visually appealing, but highly ergonomic, which allows it to be more comfortable. So whether you're competing in Benchrest matches or enjoying precision shooting as a hobby, this stock design really helps with maintaining a steady aim and, of course, reducing fatigue. Like the Mark II model, the BTVS also includes the Savage Accu trigger, which is adjustable and crisp, providing a tailored shooting experience. This feature is especially valuable for target shooters looking to fine-tune their rifle skills. So together with the Savage MKII and the Mark II BTVS represent an excellent spectrum of options for rimfire enthusiasts. The Mark II offers outstanding value for new shooters or those on a budget, while the BTVS creates those who want to step up performance and aesthetics. Whatever your needs, the Savage, I personally believe, is a great beginner rifle. Let's take a look at the Tikka T1X MTR, a versatile rimfire rifle that has gained a strong reputation among precision shooters and hunters. Priced at approximately 1,000 to 1,300 Aussie dollars, this rifle offers exceptional performance and quality that really lives up to the Tikka brand. The Tikka T1X is chambered in 22LR, but it can come in other options such as the 17HMR, making it a flexible choice for various shooting applications. One of its real standout features is its cold hammer-forged barrel, which not only ensures durability, but also delivers impressive accuracy. The barrel also features a crossover profile, combining the precision of a heavy barrel and, of course, with a lighter weight sporter profile. Really making it ideal for both Benchrest and, of course, field work. The synthetic stock of the T1X MTR is another highlight, designed with a modular approach. The stock is robust and, weather resistant, making it perfect for those outdoor adventures and, of course, in those challenging conditions. The rifle bolt action is really smooth and reliable, reflecting its exceptional craftsmanship. The Tikka, it is really known, and it is comparable to the Tikka T3X accessories, including scopes, mounts, giving shooters a wide range of customization options. Additionally, the T1X features a threaded muzzle ready for those suppressors and other attachments, adding, really to its versatility. For those who enjoy that personalizing their firearms, the Tikka T1X has excellent aftermarket support, from upgraded triggers to specialized chassis systems. Whether you're a hunter or looking for a lightweight and reliable companion, or a precision shooter seeking accuracy and consistency, the Tikka T1 really delivers on all fronts. Now let's take a look at the Aussie-made Lithgow LA101 crossover, a versatile rifle priced between 1,000 and 1,200 Aussie dollars. Lithgow Arms has a very long-standing reputation for producing high-quality firearms, and the LA101 is no exception. This rifle is designed to cater for both target shooters and hunters, combining precision, durability, and adaptability. The LA101 is chambered in 22LR, but it also is available as other calibers such as the 17HMR and the 22WMR, making it a flexible choice for different shooting needs. At the heart of the rifle is a cold hammer-forged barrel, known for its exceptional durability and accuracy. This process really ensures consistent rifling and, of course, a longer lifespan, making it a reliable companion for years and years of use. One of the standout features of the LA101 is its stock options. Shooters can choose between a polymer, walnut, or even a laminate stock, each catering for specific preferences. The polymer stock is lightweight and rugged, ideal for shooters that are in those harsh conditions. The walnut stock provides a classic aesthetic with excellent balance, while the laminate offers enhanced rigidity and, of course, a little bit of a modern touch. This variety allows shooters to select and find the perfect combination that suits their style and, of course, their environment. Another highlight is its Cerakote barrel and action, which provide really superior protection against corrosion and wear. This makes the LA101 particularly suited for those outdoor adventures where exposure to the elements can be a concern. The rifle also comes with a really user-friendly bolt action and detachable magazines and a crisp trigger pull, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable shooting experience. You know what? Whether you're zeroing in on targets at the range or taking down small game in the field, the LA101 delivers consistent and reliable performance. Now, if you want to see a little bit more about this rifle, I actually did a review, so make sure you check out that video. Next, we have the CZ457 MTR, a precision rifle priced at approximately 1,500 Aussie dollars. Known for its exceptional craftsmanship and its accuracy, this rifle is perfect companion for serious and target shooters. The CZ457 features a cold hammer-forged match-grade barrel, which is engineered to provide, unparalleled accuracy and consistency. This barrel manufacturing process ensures precision rifling, contributing to those tight groups at the range, and reliable performance. Additionally, the rifle's adjustable trigger lets you fine-tune it to your desired pull weight, offering an unmatched level of control and customization. One of the standout features of the CZ457 is its ergonomic walnut stock, designed with a focus on both form and, of course, function. The stock not only adds a touch of elegance, but it also enhances stability during shooting. The CZ457 platform is renowned for its modularity. Highlight of the CZ457 is its improved bolt design, featuring, a short throw for faster and follow-up shots. This makes the rifle not only highly precise, but also quick and efficient to operate. In addition, it has impressive factory features. The CZ457 has extensive array of aftermarket options, making it very customizable to suit your individual preferences. Shooters can upgrade to a match-grade barrel from some of the top manufacturers, install those precision triggers for even finer adjustments, or even swap the stock or chassis to something that you really like for competitive shooting. Accessories like extended bolt handles, extended magazine releases, and specialized optic mounts are also widely available, making the CZ457 a favorite among those who enjoy customizing their firearms. With its blend of craftsmanship, performance, and versatility, the CZ457 stands out as one of the top rimfire rifles available, and it's an ideal choice for competitive shooters, hunting enthusiasts, and anybody who really values top-tier accuracy. The Anschutz 1761D HB is the premium option on this list, priced between 2,300 and 2,900 Aussie dollars. This rifle really is a masterpiece of precision engineering. It's chambered in 22LR and features a match-grade barrel for that unparalleled accuracy. Anschutz barrels are known for their exceptional craftsmanship, ensuring consistent performance across thousands and thousands of rounds. This makes it an ideal choice for those serious competitors and precision enthusiasts. The walnut stock is not only elegant, but also ergonomically designed for the serious shooters. The attention to detail in the stock design ensures it provides a comfortable grip and excellent balance, reducing fatigue during extended shooting sessions. The stock contours are optimized for both Benchrest and offhand shooting, making it a versatile enough for various disciplines. What sets the Anschutz apart is its advanced trigger system. The trigger is highly adjustable, allowing shooters to customize the pull weight and the travel to suit their preferences. This level of customization gives competitive shooters the edge they need to achieve consistent accuracy. Additionally, the Anschutz come with a highly refined bolt action system. The bolt is buttery smooth, ensuring quick and effortless cycling. This is particularly important for competitive shooting scenarios where precision and speed are crucial. The Anschutz brand has a legacy of excellence, and the 1761 lives up to that reputation. It's not just a rifle, it really is an investment in performance and craftsmanship. For those who really demand the absolute best from their equipment, I believe the Anschutz 1761 is really on its league of its own. So if you want to improve your shooting skills with any of these rifles that you might choose to purchase, check out my video on common Benchrest shooting mistakes. It is packed with tips to help you shoot better. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video with your friends. And please let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Which of these rifles caught your eye? Or, are there any others that you think that should be on this list? Let me know.